uh, you know guys, if there's one thing I can, is that one you can never do anything to nature. You can never do anything to God, man. Never. What you think is death, ne? It is nothing much but just born a rebirth of the higher self, the greater self. The higher version of the lower self. There's no death, only transformation. Energy can never be lost, guys, or destroyed. It can only be transferred from one point to another. That is law of conservation of energy. Just to get this cauliflower, man. Do you see what one? This is just literally cauliflower itself. Like I can just take this, like, man, I can just take this and consume it, ne? This is cauliflower, guys. Please do tell me if I'm wrong. But just look at this, guys. I can just literally cut this, like, it's like a broccolini. You know what a broccolini is, guys? This is a cauliflower lini. Track away that. And are you able to see this? If I do research and I found out that I can consume this, I'm going to like chop them up, guys, and then hear how they taste. If maybe they taste like different from a whole cauliflower head or not. But yeah, just look at this one. And here's an update of Min Man, guys. I'm very much patient. Very much patient. I'm not even covering him, so he's turning a bit like yellowish, but it's still okay as long as he grows. And then there's another one in here. Now we want to see you. There's another cauliflower developing in there. I'm telling you what, I'm just smiling, dancing. But yeah, so it means after I harvest warane, after some few days, because this one I will most definitely be harvesting him very soon. Then after that I will wait for warra to grow nyana as well, so that I can harvest him. I don't want to like disturb it, guys. Let me just leave it so that it grows. But yeah, here's my cauliflower that is flowering, guys. For those who have never seen a cauliflower flower, here is a cauliflower flower, guys.